Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I'm gonna do a quick video on the iPhone 12. Now, this is the Pro version, and the reason why, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the size comparison of this new iPhone 12. The reason why I'm doing that is because some people have asked how much bigger is it than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Jaden, actually one of the folks that made some comments on my channel, asked this question specifically. So we'll do this quick video. This is a model, it's not a real phone, but it's pretty close to what you're gonna get if you get this device, all right? So we're gonna put some other devices beside it, the iPhone 11 and the XS Max, and then kind of get an idea of how big this phone is compared to the other devices. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the device in front of you is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the Pro Max. Now, this is the iPhone 12. And as you can see, this is what it looks like in comparison to each other when it comes to size, all right? This is the iPhone 12, the 12 Pro Max. Now, the iPhone 12 will be the same as the iPhone 12 Pro. So if that's what you're interested in, this is what size you're gonna get right here. Exact same size, but this is the Pro Max. Now, let's check this out next to the 11, the iPhone 11 Pro. Now this is the iPhone 11 Pro, and this is a model as well, but you can see the size difference there, all right? It's much larger. And this is the iPhone 11 Pro next to the iPhone 12 Pro, almost the same size. This one is a little bit taller than the iPhone 11 Pro because it's a bigger screen, 6.1 inch, 5.8 inch screen, all right? Now, this is the iPhone XS Max, which is the same size as the iPhone 11 Pro Max, all right? And this is what it looks like beside the iPhone 12 Pro. As you can see, not a huge difference, but it's a little bit taller up front, all right? As you can see right there. This is the 11 Pro Max, XS Max. This is the 12 Pro. So this is what it's gonna look like right here. All right, that's the size you're gonna get. This is gonna be a 6.7 inch screen, 6.5 inch screen, so a little bit bigger. But that's it right there. As far as height, it's a little bit taller. Thickness, this is flatter, but looks like it's a little bit thicker. And I got a bigger battery in this one too. But this is what it's gonna look like for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, all right? Okay, so that was a quick comparison there for the iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12. For those that were interested, I know the phone hasn't come out yet, but these are models that kind of give you an idea what they're gonna look like, the size, what that's gonna be when you get it. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.